How to install Debian on VirtualBox. For beginners, it is quite easy to create a Debian machine on VirtualBox. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Install VirtualBox. VirtualBox is available for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS users. So, if you do not have VirtualBox, open up its official website and download the version compatible with your host system. Our guide to installing VirtualBox on Linux will help you here. 2. Download the Debian ISO file. Next, download the ISO file of the latest Debian release. For this, open the Debian official website. Navigate to the download section, and select the appropriate ISO file with respect to your system architecture. Make sure to verify the integrity of the downloaded ISO file to prevent any issues during installation. Download Debian 12.1 ISO file, free. Three. Create a new Debian virtual machine. Now, launch VirtualBox and click on New for creating a new Debian virtual machine. Specify the desired name of your machine. However, we recommend you name it Debian. Consequently, VirtualBox will automatically detect the OS type and version of your system. You can also change the default location for storing the virtual machine file using the drop-down folder menu and click Next.
You can go with the default settings of base memory size and the number of processors and click Next. Mark the Create a Virtual Hard Disk. Now checkbox, adjust the disk size slider or by type and click Next. Now, you will see a table that summarizes the selected configuration for the new Debian virtual machine. Click Finish to create the virtual machine. After creating the Debian virtual machine, you will be ready to set the virtual machine's settings. With this selected, browse for the downloaded Debian ISO image from the local storage. Navigate to the display settings, choose the desired video memory for the Debian virtual machine, and unmark the Enable 3D Acceleration checkbox. 5. Install Debian. Press the Start button to install Debian on the VirtualBox. Your virtual machine will start up. Wait for a few minutes for the required packages and files to be installed. After completing the Debian installation, type the password which you configured earlier and hit Enter. Welcome to the initial setup of your Debian system. Select English as the language of the setup wizard and click Next. Choose the preferred keyboard layout or input method and click Next. Connect any online accounts you require to access email, contacts, photos, documents, and online calendar. I skipped this step.
Once Debian is installed on VirtualBox, you have to perform some post-installation steps for enhancing your experience. First, add the local user of your Debian system to the sudo group. This step is essential to grant the sudo or admin rights to the selected user. To do so, open Terminal using the Applications menu. Then, execute the following.
Run the command for updating and upgrading packages at once. This step ensures that your Debian system is up to date. Consider installing the Build Essential package. This package contains all the necessary packages and tools for enabling the developers to build and compile software from the source.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share.